Right now, we're going to talk about one of the most important things that you can put on your Facebook ad, on your offer, to increase the rate of leads that you get. And that is bonuses. With bonuses, you can stack bonuses and even increase the price of your service. You'll still get better results, because bonuses, people think that they're receiving bonuses just for buying their service. Some ways you can incorporate bonuses is a free smart thermostat for doing installation, free duct cleaning for flame gears.